In this session, we will write a simple code to calculate sum of all values in a dictionary. Let's create a dictionary first. D equal to students and their marks, storing them as key and value. And finally, so now we will use Python predefined method called sum, and we apply this on d dot values. So values method returns all values from the dictionary in the list format. Now store this into another variable total. Let's print this. When we run this, we get total of all values given in the dictionary. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.